Hello, YouTube. Hey, it's me again.
Last video.
This is our last video. Well, this is our last video for tonight. You'll see a lot of these I don't put all the videos on at the same time. So what I do is I put one video, and then another night put another video, and another video. So all these videos are not going to be all at the same night. So this will be the last video of a series of foolishness that I'll put on.
Kiss my LOL.
Kiss my LOL. What the hell's wrong with you? Don't say that to the camera. Dingleberry.
Kiss it.
So anyway, what are we doing tomorrow? I'm going to work tomorrow. What are you doing?
I'm going to work too.
You're not going to work with me.
Sam.
No, you're not. All she does is stay on her phone at work. She doesn't help me. You know how to use the cash?
Yeah.
You know how to work the scanner?
Yeah.
She scans stuff pretty good. She's not good at counting change, though. You know how to count a change?
No.
No? When you push the button there, it tells you how much change, right?
Okay.
And then the drawer pops out. Did you tell them where you work?
Oh, I work downstairs.
No, there's no downstairs. Where do you work? You work in the store?
Yeah.
And what do we sell?
We sell McDonald's.
McDonald's. Stop being bullshit, you. You're addicted to McDonald's, that we know. What do we sell?
Candy.
Candy, that's it. That's all we sell is candy.
Junk food.
We don't just
Can
sell
we go
junk
now?
food. We sell Hamburger Helper. You're leaving already? You didn't even say goodbye to your fans.
Bye.
Bye. I guess I'm leaving. We're leaving. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hallelujah.
Bye.
Stop. Here, Dingleberry. Bye.
Bye.